Today we'll show you how to view your favorites on Etsy so you can keep track of the items you love and easily revisit them later. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign in to your Etsy account. Start by logging into your Etsy account using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to access your favorites. Step 2. Go to your favorites. Navigate to the top right corner of the Etsy homepage, where you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Favorites from the options. Step 3. Explore your favorites. You'll be taken to a page where you can view all the items you've favorited on Etsy. Scroll through your favorites to see the products you've saved. Step 4. Sort and filter your favorites. If you have a lot of favorites, you can use sorting and filtering options to organize them. You can sort by relevance, newest, or price, and filter by category or item type. Step 5. Remove items from your favorites. If you no longer want to keep an item in your favorites, you can remove it. Hover over the item you want to remove, and you'll see a small remove button. Click on it to remove the item from your favorites. Step 6. Return to your favorites later. You can return to your favorites at any time by following the same steps. Your favorites will be saved and accessible from your Etsy account. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your favorites on Etsy, making it easy to keep track of the items you love and always buy. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.